if you think about where we are in all this, we have kids who are struggling to meet the demands of the text that we currently have for them. We want to up the ante in terms of text complexity. And basically, I've seen two different approaches to doing that. One is what I would call a text engineering approach, and that is where we sort of take you where you are and we gradually increase the difficulty of the text, and we provide scaffolding, uh, maybe even in a computer program, or if not a computer program, in some kind of a classroom delivered program, where we gradually increase the complexity of the text, and then hope that over time that we're able to help you realize that you can handle more difficult text. I would call that a text engineering approach. The other approach I've seen is, well, you've got these complex texts out there and kids are struggling with them. Perhaps what we could do is to differentiate the amount of scaffolding that we provide to kids who come in with different levels of prowess in dealing with more difficult text. And I was wondering your thoughts on those two general approaches, a kind of a text engineering approach or a instructional scaffolding approach to managing the challenge of complexity.
And are you thinking that it's one or the other?
No, not necessarily. I mean, I'm always open to the possibility of both and or
That's
neither.
Yeah, it seems like they both have potential. I think that's one of the beauties of thinking about text-task relationships, that you can uh, make difficult texts more accessible by framing the task uh, more clearly, by framing it more narrowly, by changing the orientation to the same text for a variety of kids. And and the alternative, I think, is useful as well, and that is to support kids where they are and to keep shifting that level of
Right.
text difficulty.